How home service pros can make more money chasing more leads. If you're a plumber, HVAC company, roofer, electrician, or residential home service contractor, this video is about how to make more money without more leads. That may sound strange because most contractors assume growth means more leads, more ads, more SEO, more Facebook posts, more flyers, more door hangers, more lead vendors, more, hey everybody, support my business posts. But what if the fastest path to more revenue is not chasing more leads? What if it's converting more of the leads you already have? That may sound or it may not sound as flashy, but it can be very profitable. Many home service businesses already have opportunities coming in: calls, website visits, form submissions, past customers, old estimates, referrals, Google business profile clicks, social media messages, but not all of those opportunities are being captured. Some calls are missed. Some forms sit too long. Some estimates never get followed up. Some old customers are never contacted again. Some website visits leave without engaging. Some after hours leads disappear. That means that revenue may already be hiding inside your business. AI speed to lead helps uncover it. Before chasing more leads, why not ask a few simple questions like, how many calls are we missing? How fast do we respond? Do website visitors get help? Are estimates followed up? Do past customers hear from us? Do we ask for reviews consistently? Can customers book easily? If the answer is no, there may be money in fixing the system. Imagine a contractor saying, I need more leads, while there are missed calls on the phone, unread messages, old estimates sitting untouched, past customers who have not heard from him in 2 years, and website visitors leaving because there is no chat. That is like standing in a kitchen full of food saying, I'm starving. No, friend. Open the refrigerator. AI helps open the refrigerator. It helps respond faster to current inquiries. Missed call text back turns missed calls into actual conversations. AI receptionist answers or collects details. AI chat engages your visitors. Automated booking schedules appointments. That improves conversion without increasing traffic. AI also helps after estimates. A lot of money dies after quotes. So you visit the home, you inspect the issue, you send the estimate, then silence. The customer may be busy, unsure, comparing options, or waiting for a reminder. AI follow-up can send, just checking to see if you had any questions about your estimate. Would you like to get scheduled? Simple, helpful, timely. That can turn silence into revenue. Past customers are another gold mine. They already know you. They already trusted you. They may need seasonal maintenance, inspections, repairs, upgrades, or reminders. AI and automation can help with customer reactivation, HVAC tune-ups, plumbing inspections, roof checks after storms, electrical safety inspections, garage door maintenance, pest control reminders. That is revenue without chasing strangers. And review automation helps future leads convert better. After a completed job, the system can request a review. More reviews build trust. More trust helps future customers choose you. So, here's the takeaway. Home service pros can make more money without always chasing more leads. Start by converting more of what you already have. Respond faster. Text back missed calls. Use AI chat. Book automatically. Follow up on estimates. Reactivate past customers. Request reviews. AI for contractors helps keep opportunities from slipping through the cracks. Question for the comments, so please leave your answers below. Do you think your business needs more leads, or do you think there is money hiding in missed calls, in old estimates, and in past customers? Stop missing jobs. Take the quiz below this video and see how you score. When you're done, you get a free missed call recovery checklist. And if this series helped, subscribe and watch the full AI Speed to Lead playlist for home service contractors. See you next time.